Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR Duct-able Version Basement / Crawl Space Dehumidifier is a powerhouse in the realm of moisture control, specifically designed for commercial and industrial applications. With a remarkable capacity of 198 pints per day, PPD, this dehumidifier excels at combating high humidity levels in basements and crawl spaces, ensuring dry and healthy environments. One of the standout features of the ALORAIR dehumidifier is its ductable design. This flexibility allows users to connect external ductwork for efficient air distribution, making it ideal for larger spaces or multiple rooms. This capability enhances its performance, enabling it to effectively manage humidity levels even in challenging layouts. The unit is equipped with a high-efficiency compressor that operates quietly while delivering powerful moisture removal. In terms of ease of use, the ALORAIR dehumidifier comes with a user-friendly digital control panel. This feature allows for precise humidity settings, giving users the ability to customize their moisture removal based on specific needs. The built-in hygrometer provides real-time humidity readings, ensuring that the space remains within the desired range. Additionally, the continuous drainage option eliminates the hassle of manual water disposal, making it a convenient choice for long-term use. The construction of the ALORAIR dehumidifier is robust and durable. Its corrosion-resistant materials ensure longevity in damp environments, while the integrated handle and wheels offer portability for easy relocation. The unit's design also incorporates an automatic restart function, which is essential during power outages, as it resumes operation without manual intervention. While the initial investment might seem steep, the energy efficiency of this dehumidifier can lead to significant savings on utility bills over time. The ALORAIR Duct-able version is a worthy investment for those looking to maintain optimal humidity levels in commercial or industrial spaces. Overall, it combines performance, durability, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for effective moisture management.